coming from the last video, bro, you a real one, man. I rock with you heavy, bro, if you coming from the last video, man. Traffic is going crazy, man. Everything is wilding right now, so shoot, I don't know if I could really get too much content for y'all, but we gonna see, man. Hopefully I can, bro. Man, they cruising over here, bro. Bro, in virtual reality, man, I really use turning signals and all that. Don't get on me, bro. It's just cause I got a whole job, man. Y'all the ones I gotta hold, man. Y'all big old selves. About to be way more traffic, so I'm probably going to just get off on this exit right here and just like drive through the city or whatever. If y'all like, for me to give y'all a real good POV, bro, I probably gotta just like come back from the highway, cause going anywhere you're going to, bro, in Florida, bro, it's straight traffic, bro. But if you're coming back, as you see, bro, the roads is empty, you feel me? So I probably gotta just go out and then come back to record a good highway for y'all. But if y'all want another one, man, let me know, bro. Let me know if y'all want another highway POV, bro. I could do that for y'all anytime, man. Get y'all right. Thumbnail, man. Need that sun. Man, anywhere under a bridge is crazy, bro. Like, this thing sounds crazy, bro. I'm finna get back on the highway, so y'all probably got more out of me for real. Cause I'm really not trying to take the regular way home. I gotta bust a U-turn though. Hey man, if you don't live in Florida and you want to see Disney, man, I got you, bruh. I'm gonna bring y'all into the area real quick. To actually go inside all the little places, but this is all Disney residents right here that I'm in, man. In virtual reality, not in real life. I'm not actually here, you feel me? So remember that. Anywhere I go with y'all, bro, I'm not actually there. I'm just, this is virtual reality. And I have to have these gloves on, so like it monitors all my movements and things like that. So don't think too hard about it, really, bro. It's not that deep, bro. It's not that deep, man. Dang, I should have turned right there so I can go back on. Oh, man. We just driving at this point, bro. When I get back on the highway, I'm gonna pick it up because I gotta, like, find my way back on this road right here. I gotta bust it. So I'm gonna pick it back up for y'all, man. What it do, man? Y'all boys like and subscribe on the video, man. I'm over here just driving for y'all, bro. Get y'all this content, bro. And I promise you, bro, it's only the start, man. We're gonna continue to post, we're gonna continue to grow. It's all for y'all, man. man. We getting back on the highway for y'all, man. Hey man, while we waiting for this little traffic right here that we not really finna wait for, bro. Y'all boy, let me know how y'all relationship with God is, bro. I gotta know what y'all doing on a daily basis to grow and get better, bro. You feel me? What's y'all play every day? What are y'all striving for, man? Let me know, bro. You feel me? I'll probably give y'all some advice on it in the comments, bro. Let me know, bro. Y'all talk to me. Feel me? We all family, bro. If y'all see somebody else in the comments talking about something that you could help them with, or y'all could just, you feel me, connect, man, go ahead and do that, bro. This little bridge coming up, bro, is so lovely. Y'all gotta hear this, man.